This is Corbin, Marshall's little brother, and my dog died right there. We buried him. He got ran over. So please subscribe for that and hope he's in a better place. I'm gonna go over here to the tree house and please hope that he's in a better place. So, this is where he used to be, and now we might turn it into a fort, and then we might have something over there come to the tree house to give us some like food or something. So, yeah, we're just gonna look off the deck right here though. Pretty. Yeah. So that's it for today.